How's it going, everybody? My name's Elton. Welcome back to Garage 99. In today's video, we've got a very special upgrade for you. I've got this Revesol steering wheel. Shout out to my wife who got me this for Christmas because I absolutely love the quality of this thing. I don't care what anybody says. This is a beautiful upgrade for the C6 Corvette. If you have an earlier model, this is the 3-spoke, so like a 2006 and up, not the 2005 4-spoke model. I'm not gonna lie, ours is pretty beat up on the Vette, and it could definitely use an upgrade. I mean, it is gonna be ridiculous when it's done. We are also going to be shipping the sides of it gloss black. We're gonna try and get rid of as much silver in this car as we can, but that's pretty much all of the silver in it. We've already got the battery disconnected, and we've already given it enough time for the steering wheel airbag to discharge, so that way it doesn't go off in our face. There's gonna be 2 holes on both sides. You can see the one right there, and there's gonna be one on the other side as well. You push those in and they're gonna release the airbag, and then we're going to go ahead and take everything else off and pop it off and pop the new one on. It should be quick and easy. I'm hoping it won't be too difficult. If there's any other things you guys should know, I will show you. And please do not forget, guys, when you guys disconnect your battery, you are going to be not able to get into the door unless you use the release. Oh, all right, I got that side. Oh, there we go. Gotta take these 2 little clips out of here. All right, not so bad. Seen worse, we're gonna set that aside. Now, once you get here, you wanna disconnect this plug, or maybe you do it after you get your 21mm nut off of here. Okay, you loosen the nut, and then you beat on it like a drum like I just did. It's actually a pretty easy install as long as you do everything very safely, like removing the battery and not having it blow up in your face. All right, we have everything disconnected. Pull this steering wheel out. All right, now that we have them down to the exact same material build, I can show you a side-by-side comparison. So this is the old wheel. This thing has a good amount of miles on it. It's pretty worn out. It's seen better days. And it's incredibly lightweight, where this thing is really solid. There's a lot of material to it. It might actually get a little bit of a heavier feel. There's no stitching that's very fancy on this. There's barely any ripples to the back of the wheel. There's no contour for good hand holding, for good positioning. This thing has got great features to it. It looks beautiful. It's got a racing stripe on the top of it. It's got double stitching, nice indentation, same depth and everything. This is just an OEM replacement. Probably just an OEM-based wheel that they built off of, but this is a really nice piece of equipment. I'm very excited to put it back together, so I'm gonna start doing that. But when you guys are taking this part, this is inside of the steering wheel. It's all the wiring. It's all attached to the back plastic. All of this stuff can be removed. These big fasteners are T30s, and the little ones that are holding on the smaller pieces of plastic are T20s. They're all Torx bits. All right, we now got everything back in here from the old steering wheel with all the Torx bits and everything mounted up. There it is with the new horn. We just gotta get the side pieces, which we're currently painting right now over there. So we'll show you what it looks like back in the car. After about 5 coats of paint, we finally got everything dialed in just the way we like it, and it's installed. Guys, look at this steering wheel. Look at how beautiful that thing is. It makes the entire interior look so much better when you're looking inside of there. I can't wait to get rid of all the rest of the silver in there and either go gloss black or carbon fiber, but that wheel, huge upgrade. So we got more things coming for the interior of this car and just a few things in the exterior. I won't give away too much more, but guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you want to see these things, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, drop a like, and let me know what you guys think about the wheel. Do you think it's worth it? Because it's a pretty affordable wheel as opposed to the other options that are out there. It's like about 1/4 of the price, if not like 1/3 of the price. But that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. Peace out and keep turning those gears.